kutembea sasa hizi maeria. Tupa side. Come to this YouTube channel. This is River Athi. Tulipita hapa kweli. Huku nakaa maji. So guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. Like, subscribe and share. This is River Athi. Yes. This is River Athi. This part of the river. You can see the river itself. That side. You can see here we are walking on the beach side. The beach right now is brown. That's why there's no white sand here. The place has been turned to brownish. So we are going to the water itself. Let me show the waters of this river. This river is flowing from central Kenya towards Indian Ocean. The water is so brown now. Yeah. As you can see, this river is broad, like 200 meters broad, from this side to the other side there. That's why it contains a lot of animals like crocodiles, hippos. All of them are contained in this river. Me was here, my shoe. Yeah. So I'm trying to wash these my shoes. Yeah. The other side is Yata Plateau. That's why it's flat. And this is River Athi. Yeah. Walk. Yeah, you can see here there is Valentine's on this place. This is a beach. People comes and enjoy this place. Cutting. Nionyeshe mavia ndovu sasa. These are elephants. Elephant feces. Can see. These are elephant feces. They are big like this. Elephants are on this place, but right now they are not around here. But you can see their feces and another one there. So this beach contains a lot of things like elephants, buffaloes, rhinos, and all kinds of animals. So this water has a lot of animals, even crocodiles are here. Hippos are on the other side there. Right now they are not around. Don't know where they are because of this rainy season. Water are so. This water is flowing from that side with high speed. That's why I think they have migrated from that point. They usually found there every day, but today we have not seen them. I don't know where they are. I think they have relocated from that place. So we found only a crocodile there, but it was a small one. So it ran away. It ran away. So we only with water here. You can see this flow of this river. This river is so broad, but not deep, but contains a lot of animals. And this water is brown right now because of this rainy season. You can see this is a rapid. When you talk of rapid, that means this is where water flows in a high speed. You can see the other places water flow just slowly, but yeah, water flows and it makes some sounds, loud sounds. These are rapid. Yeah, you can see from this side to that side. So far, you can see it's like almost 300 meters from this side to other side. But this water not deep, not deep. You can see the other place, the Yata Plateau, and people down there are enjoying. They come here with their loved ones and they celebrate together here. So me, I'm rushing from this place. You can see this river breaks or brings trees and deposit them here, and other trees are broken down. You can see they have put the trees from different places and come and place them here. See, this is all about I'm talking. See, these trees here. So people from this, you don't know, people don't live here. This is a desert like place. Only see, you can see the other side. The other side is Savo National Park, where you see that plateau. That's a national park, and it's prohibited to be there. And even if you are found by animals like lion, you might get killed there. So down there is KWS office. So there's no entering that side. Even elephants from that side come and get water from this side. So this is Rivati that I was showing you the other previous time, but the video did not come through because I had some issues with the video and the account also. So my account was gone, but it was not easily accessed. But right now I can access this account again. So I'm back. So the account is back. So everything's going to be good. So you guys continue supporting me. So that we can continue growing up together. So you can see this. Yeah. Alex. Yeah. They said the other time they came here, they met an elephant here, and they ran away back to where they came from. So this place is dangerous, but during daytime like now it's safe and people can come here. So my account had some issues. I was not able to access them directly. I don't know what happened, but I have recovered it. Now I can access it and control it. So I'll be uploading videos whenever possible, every day. You can see this river. This river has a lot of materials. You can see these all trees here. There, the other side. You can see. Let me go this side. So aje. So let me find another strategic point. See, all these are trees because there is no people here to use this firewood or to do something with this. They're just wasted here like that. Don't know where these trees are carried from because I found them here every day. They are never used, and people are not around here. You can see this one was uprooted by water. Yeah. So guys, continue supporting me again. This YouTube channel. We go grow together. So let's have another great time with this account. So the channel is back again on fire. So we're gonna meet again. Yeah, it was lost like for almost 2 months. Yeah, I think 2 months ago. The last video I posted was 2 months ago. But as I said earlier, there was some issues with the account. Yeah, but now the account is fully back. Yeah, see the place. You can see the beautiful place of this beach. How it is. Yeah. Yeah. This place, think this water here. This place, this water is deep. Yeah. Oh, there's a crab. Nini? Kuna ka crocodile hapa. Crocodile katoto. Muko live.
Uko live.
Muko live. Ndio subscribe. Natengeneza tu nani video ya YouTube.
Najua tu tabia yako. Bwana.
Sasa unajiita aje?
Levis. Yeah.
Yeah. Unatushika tu. Hajavaa kitu.
Unaona ile ni yuko ndio inatembea.
Hizi hipo kwani ziliama kwa sababu
Hapo imeingia tena kwa maji. Imeingia kama masikio. Hii stuff big kia black unaona huko hivyo. Hiyo ni yuko sana.
By the way imeama mtaka huko.
Ingia chini pesa.
wapi? Tena nitafutia. Huko ziko. Wapi? Hai, kama ni kinini kiko hapa hivi. Kwani huku ndo deep siku hizi? Sasa. Ziko wapi hadi? Oza. Wapi? Uliziona wapi? Ilikuwa juu si huku. Haya. Let's kimbia uombe na hapa. Kimbia uombe namba. Kimbia uombe namba. Tushikane wawili. Yeah, we are finding some hippos on this river. Ile ni security iko huko. Ama washaanza kutoa watu. Uliona side gani? Okay. Nini? Basi tuende. So the hippos are away from this place. We cannot find them. Yeah. Tembe. What? What? Bedwe kinakaa kihipo lakini sasa ni mbali. Ni side nyingine.
Nipo wala.
Ni yenyewe lakini sasa hii kamera hizi zoom hadi huko.
Kumbe ni correct. Leo sasa natembea. Nenda. Nastai tuko huko.
Live. Kwani hao security wanatuona wanatoroka pia wao. Wapikie. Yeah, there is hippos this side. You can see there is a distance from this side. You cannot zoom up to there, but ni hippo ama ni crocodile? Ni crocodile bana. It's a crocodile, it's not a hippo, so you cannot zoom. Let me zoom from here up there. That you can see. This river is so broad, but najaribu kuzoom. Lakini na zoom lakini ionyeshi kilia huko. Sasa hapo imefika mwisho. Mungu ni mambo gani? There's a crocodile that side. The other side. Yeah, this is a view of the river Athi. You can see this place, how beautiful it is. So that is the biggest crocodile I've ever seen this place. I used to see only the small ones, the kids of that one. That now is a big mother. So you can see there that place. Niki big. That crocodile is so big there. My eyes can see, but this camera can't see. She's really hunting there. So next time when we found some hippos here, we will record it and post it. So today we are not really lucky. We missed the chance of getting the hippos and the crocodiles and so far. So I think this rain have caused a lot of changes here because those crocodiles were this side, but now the deepest part have gone the other side. This place is full of sand. That's why those animals have migrated to the other side, so we cannot see them clearly. So thank you guys for supporting this my YouTube channel, and thank you for the support. Okay.